What's up, guys? It's Animanga, and I have another what if from a sub. So, this one's from Makitaki X8H. I don't think I've got one from you before. They say, please somehow make Mr. Huffington Chumley's dad versus Mad Dog. Love your vids, by the way. Thanks. And I said, dang right I'm gonna do it. However, I don't know, since you commented on my yugioh Pro video, Duke vs. Crump with the anime decks, I don't know if you wanted the yugioh Pro version or just the Tag Force version. So I'm going to do the Tag Force version. Just because it's easier on me, less taxing than the yugioh Pro videos. But if you did want the yugioh Pro videos, I'm so sorry because I know they have very specific anime decks. However, some of their anime cards are in this game. Last Machine Acid Virus is in here. Pretty much none other of Mad Dog's cards are in here though. But a lot of Mr. Huffington's are like flipping the table right there. Sea Koala. Yeah, let's go see koalas. Metal Reflect Slime, one of his best slime cards. Yeah, he uses all slime. The Melting Red Shadow. They're kind of evenly matched. Let's go Drunken Angel. Nope, Last Machine Acid Virus. Which doesn't work because he's like, what do you mean you don't run machines? I got that quote from a sub a while back. They were like, what do you... When he used Last Machine Acid Virus, he was like, what do you mean you don't run machines? Wait, aren't you a machine? So, yeah, you activated it too late. His strategy is he has to use DNA surgery first and then use Last Machine Acid Virus, because then everything will be machines. Yep, but flipping the tables and break everything except Drunken Angel. Yeah, have y'all noticed that flipping the table's been used twice already? One of the first times ever, if not the only time. The only video it's ever worked. Because most of the time he's not strong enough to keep all those out on the field. He did it again. Only problem is his field is bare after it. He's not allowed to summon a monster after that. That's the duel. No, humanoid slime. Magical Reflect Slime. But yeah, that's the only two times flipping the table's ever been used that I can recall. Maybe before once, but it was so long ago, so random, I can't remember. I can't believe he's still in the duel. I would keep attacking. Oh, whoops. I saw what you had there. Last Machine Acid Virus. Oh, right, duh, you idiot. You gotta use DNA surgery first. It's a hot sauce bottle. We saw it. We all saw it. Drunken Tiger. Summon it. Summon that bad boy. Dang, just to get Mirror Force. What the heck is this duel? Oh, shoot. Nope. Control Reborn is incredible. That was his only good move he could do, and it worked. Wow, his move worked. I'm genuinely impressed. Excuse me? Is he gonna come back with the Melting Red Shadow? And a Magical Reflect Slime? Drunken Tiger, let's go. Nah. No, it was good. Good attempt, but Drunken Tiger ain't having any of it. Or Dizzy Tiger in the dub. Oh, shoot. I forgot his effect. Not that it's going to matter. You got 400. Finish him. Oof. If he wanted to, he could have played Wild Nature's Release. That was a great first duel. Really fun first duel. Really super fun. Super duper fun. However, now we gotta go to the second duel. Okay. Great way to start with Dizzy Tiger. Really good start. Ooh, Wetlands is one of his best cards. Nope, get TT'd. Wonder what his... I couldn't see his monster in time. Yeah, Melting Red Shadow with Wetlands is really good. I can't handle it. Nope, get jammered. Get it? Jam. It's another jam card in there. I know, I'm cheesy with my sense of humor. I love how close their duels are. It's really fun. Wild Nature's Release? Don't know about this. Especially when you get Mirror Force. Actually, he's gonna lose this duel. Dang, we're gonna have a tie? Oh, yes we are. It's a lot of damage. Almost all yo life points. Don't like this situation. Okay, a little bit better. Whoops. Saw what you had there. Nah, okay, he's good. Because there's no way, even with Wetlands, he's not going to beat 23. No way he beats 23. He probably has a bunch of useless... Oh, wait a second. That's a good card. That's a good card. Magical Reflect Slime. My weather app just updated. Oh my gosh. This is genius. He just used his own Magical Reflect Slime against him, the madman. I mean, you've got to win now. You're about to lose. You gotta take out that Magical Reflect Slime. Yeah, immediately. This was so smart. Well played, both of you. 2 genius turns back to back. That it did almost cost you the duel, but it was still worth it, so I don't blame you. What a matchup. Are you sure? That's... You better have another slime base down. Flipping the table? Nope. What you hiding there? His acid cards are really coming in handy. Dang it. Nope. I think that's the end of... Oh yeah, definitely the end of him. Finish him. Vampire Koala, suck his blood. Suck this blood slime. Is that even possible? The blood of the slime. The slime blood. Monster blood from Goosebumps. So, yeah, he still wins 2-0. But we're going to see if Mad Dog can win one duel. Just one. Just one little teensy bitty duel. Mr. Huffington, there you are, and let's go. As I recall, Mad Dog didn't do very well in one of the only turns. He was in, I think he's only ever been in 2, and he lost first or second round both times. It's because his last machine acid virus he doesn't know how to operate it all the time. Sometimes he does, like here, he doesn't know how to operate it, and he'll play it at the wrong time. Watch him have DNA surgery face down, I promise you, he will. Wait, he doesn't? Dang, I'm kind of shocked he doesn't. Nope, humanoid slime. I did a wheel of damage. Meaty head. Dang, did he really bait him into just going into attack mode? Oh, I'm an idiot. I totally forgot about Kangaroo Champ's effect. Are you a genius, Mad Dog? My mommy says I'm really smart. Tree Otter. Mirror Force. Are you kidding me? Ah, but Dizzy Angel returns. You complete dolt. My mommy says I'm really smart. Ah, you had that face down, did you? Flipping the table. I think that's the duel. He just runs out of steam. It's hard for him to do much. Hot sauce bottle activates. So we got flipping the table and a hot sauce bottle. This was a very successful video. Very successful. Everything correct happened. So dark hole or you lose right now. You have to get dark hole right now. Okay. A little late for that. You can't use last machine virus now. Oh, you can't use that though. Uh-oh, a lot of passes, huh? Pass, 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 pass. Mm-hmm. The odds are against you, Mad Dog. You've already used Mirror Force. Monster Reborn actually will help. But you're scared to attack. I wouldn't be. Flipping the table. Flipping the table and hot sauce bottle used in tandem. We'll probably never see that again. Let's go, Mr. Huffington. He made Chumley so proud here. The sauce a little bit too hot for you? Fun fact, in the Japanese version, I believe it was sake, because obviously they were drunken. So 3-0 Mr. Huffington, but boy, man, did he show off. And those first 2 duels were really intense. So hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe on YouTube. The channel is Zanzanamanga. In the description, check out if you're interested, if you buy cards. I have an affiliate with tcgplayer. So check it out. It'll be interesting if you guys enjoy that or not. I don't know. But the link in the description will lead you to the site. And yeah, we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, Makitaki X8H, for the idea. See you for the next one. Bye.